Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of WooCommerce Point of Sale Price List plugin. Now this particular plugin provides a feature using which the better discounts can be allocated to the products in a point of sale store. The admin can create multiple discount price list rules as required, and the created price lists can be applicable globally on product categories, products or product variations as well. Also, apart from that, the admin can set the minimum outlet stock quantity of a product that, when added to the POS cart, will apply the price list rule to the respective product to give the respective discount there. Apart from that, the admin can also set the start and the end date of a price list rule for the POS, and the discounts can be computed as fixed or percentage as required. So in today's video tutorial, I'll just show you the workflow at the POS terminal end, and then we'll be seeing how we can create the discount price list rules from the admin backend panel. So right now you can see that I'm on the POS terminal here, and before we proceed further with the workflow of the plugin, kindly do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now I've created a few discount price list rules from the backend for the categories, products, and for the product variations as well. So for example, you can see that I have added one product Woo logo here, and we have a discount of $1 on that. The actual price was $15. Now it's for $14 only, 14 pounds in fact there. I'm sorry for that. And similarly, you can see that on the Woo singles, I've added one item to the cart there, and on that we are getting a discount of £3. And the same goes for the Woo logo. It has a discount of £1 there. So this is a product based one, and this is a category based and a product based discount list or the discount price list rule that we have applied. And whenever the customer asks the POS terminal agent to add these products into the cart, and if the POS price list rules are created from the backend by the admin between the particular date range, and within that date range, if the customer asks the POS terminal agent to add the products into the cart, the customers will find the particular discounts applicable on those products there. And it depends upon what the admin has set from the backend panel for the number of products to be added into the cart. If the number is set as within the discount price list rule there as 1, so at adding one product to the cart, the discount would be visible. Otherwise, if we have set it as for 3 products, if we are purchasing 3 products, then on 3 when we are adding 3 products to the cart there, then the discount would be visible to the what we say as the POS terminal agent and to the customers as well. And thereafter the customers can make a payment there and can proceed further to place the orders with the for the orders there after getting the discounts there. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel, and let's see what different configuration settings are there for this particular plugin. So for that, I'll be logging into the backend panel of the system there. Now after the successful installation of this particular plugin, you'll find the discount price list under the point of sale system. Now this particular plugin, that's the WooCommerce point of sale price list plugin, is an add-on to the WooCommerce point of sale system. So you'll have to have the point of sale system first, and then you can make use of the discount price list there. Now you have to navigate through the point of sale and then discount price list. So I'll just tap on that, and that will bring up the discount price list section. So here from the bulk actions, you can activate, deactivate, or delete any of the created discount price list rules that you have already created. And here you can find the price list name applicable on product categories, products, product variations, and it also is applicable on the global products there. Here you can see that we have set the minimum quantity when the discount should be applicable on the product. If you're purchasing one quantity of a product from a particular category there, then the discount would be applicable. If the discount is applicable on the products there, that you have selected, then you have to add minimum quantity of 2 products for that particular product there to get the discount. And the same goes for the product variation as well. If you're purchasing a product variation for which the discount price list rule has been created by the admin, then you need to add 2 quantities of that particular product into the cart to make a checkout there before what we say as to get the discount first and then get the checkout there. So to add a new discount price list, you'll have to tap here on the add new button, and that brings up the add price list rule for the POS itself. So here you need to set up the discount price label. So for example, I'll set it as product category for the time being, and then we have to set the minimum outlet stock quantity. So this is the quantity that needs to be added for a particular product that falls under a particular category there. So I'll be applying it on the product category, so that's why I've created it as the product category, and I've set the discount price label as product category. So under that particular category, when I'm going to purchase a particular product, for that product I need to set or add 2 quantities of that product into the cart to get the particular discount. I'll set the start and end date of this particular price list rule for the point of sale system, and here I've chosen the product category, and I'll be choosing the category here as let's choose it as music. So I'll choose music for the time being. I'll set it as fixed, and the amount I'll set it as 3. Alright, that's more. I'll set it as $1 there, and I'll be tapping here on the save discount rule after that. Now after saving it up, you'll find the rule here. So we have created the product category discount price rule here, and it is applicable on the product categories, on the music category, and the minimum quantity of any product that is to be added to get the discount is 2. So for the time being, let me delete these 2 price rules that I've created. Now let me go to this particular section here. Let's refresh the POS terminal once. I'll take it later. So here, if I now tap, you can see that the discount is not applicable. So under the music category, for a particular product, if I'm purchasing 2 units of that particular product under this particular category, then only the discount would be applicable. So if I'm doing it for 2 products, now you can see that we are getting a discount of $2 on the same. The actual price was $6. We are getting it for $4. So that's how this particular discount price list works, and that's how you can see that I'd created the applicable on product categories, and we had it applicable on the music category there. Now let's create one more for a product there, and for example, if I go for Woo logo, this is a particular product. Let's go back. I'll set it as for product. For product, I'll set the minimum quantity in the cart to be 1. I'll set the start date. I'll set the end date. I'll choose it as product, so it will be applicable in product. And let's select the product as Woo logo 3. Fixed, I'll set it as $2. Let's save the discount rule. So the discount rule has been saved. If I go back to the discount rule, here's for the product. So minimum quantity of this particular product, when it the rule is applicable on the product there, I've selected the product there as Woo logo 3, and if I'm going to add 1 quantity, then we'll be getting the particular discount on the product there in the cart. So right now, if I tap here on the product itself, okay, I'll have to refresh this page once, and then we'll see. So let me refresh it. Let me remove the product, and now if I add one quantity of this product, you can see that we are getting a $2 discount or the £2 discount on this particular product. So that's how this particular thing works for when we are applying the discount price list rule on the product. The same goes for the product variation and for the global as well. The global would be applicable on each and every product of the store. The product variation basically works on the products variation. So that was much about the WooCommerce point of sale price list plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com. You can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.